The one thing Kyron Pollard has done well over a period of time is play well in big games. And a big game for Mumbai Indians at that stage was trying to beat CSK. So in the league phase, a bit of a backstory. We had played Chennai Super Kings twice. In Chennai, we beat them. Pretty close game, but we still ended up beating them. Then they come to Bombay, we killed them. I think Mitchell Johnson was at his best, bowled some rockets, and we were able to get ahead of them in that game. And then comes the knockout, 1-2, and we play CSK there in Delhi, and they smashed us. They got 190 for 2 wickets, I remember, and we couldn't compete in that game. And then we went off, played Rajasthan Royals, and then came back in the final. It was a great final because Mumbai Indians had reached the final once before, but didn't manage to win it. So it was a very important final for us. That game, we were off to a poor start. I remember Dwayne Smith and Aditya Tare, who kept consistently getting us off to good starts. Both of them got out cheaply. I had a great tournament that year. So it was me and Rohit Sharma. We tried to stitch a partnership, but Rohit got out again. And then it was Ambati Rayudu who walked in. And then we, kind of managed to get to the 8th, 9th over. And then I got out. So we were about 50 for 4 around the 9th over, and in walked Kyron Pollard.
We were in a bit of trouble, and sitting in the dugout, it just felt that we've thrown away the opportunity, in this big finals. I was there in the squad in 2010 as well when we lost the finals to CSK. And, those sort of memories were coming back.
Well, we were right on top. Got a lot of early wickets. They weren't scoring very quickly. But you always know when there's someone like Pollard still at the crease, then he can take the game away from you. And, I think he played quite cautiously early. But then once he got to the back end of the innings, I think he played quite well with Ambati Rayudu. They finished the innings off incredibly well. And I think more importantly, it wasn't the biggest score that we had to chase. I think it was short of 150. But they just had so much momentum going into the back end of the innings where they really just put the foot down.
The one thing Kyron Pollard has done well over a period of time is play well in big games. And a big game for Mumbai Indians at that stage was trying to beat CSK. In the league phase, he did well in both the games there, did well for Mumbai Indians, and hence we ended up winning. I remember in the first game in Chennai as well, he was the man of the match. In this game, he again stood up. The way he played, the way he absorbed pressure was the most beautiful part because he is known to hit big shots, which did come about at the second half of the game after about 15 overs. But the way he was able to absorb pressure when initially we were about 50 for 4 to take the team to 160 was just fabulous to watch.
It was a special knock because, to get, all we hoped was to get above 140 or 150, the way we started it, and it looked, it just looked that it's not possible to get over there. We thought that it'll just be a very low scoring game and we're going to throw it up. But, his innings sort of gave us a lot of momentum shift in the finals, and, we finished close to 150.
I think that innings that Pollard played was, one, it was important for the runs, but as important was just changing the momentum of the game. We were right on top, but he managed to sort of turn that and get some belief back in that Mumbai Indians team.
That's why he's one of the most liked cricketers for Mumbai, and he's been around with Mumbai from the start, and for this reason only, even though he fails a few times in the league phase, but then he always makes it a point to do well in finals. We saw that last year as well. He did really well in the game against Delhi Capitals. He is somebody who has the ability to stand up and be watched on a big game, and I think he enjoys the big situations. 2013, another great opportunity for him there. He stood up and he literally lit Kolkata on fire that day. It was just beautiful to watch. He's somebody who could hit sixes for a joke, and that day towards the end he took on a Dwayne Bravo, hit some brilliant shots. But I think the way we bowled after that was fabulous, but hats off Pollard. The way he batted and is what helped us win that game.